Are you working tirelessly to achieve your dreams, but feeling like you're just barely surviving? If you're wondering if there's a secret to attracting more wealth and abundance, well, in a few moments, you'll be reminded of 3 abundance principles that oftentimes are overlooked. But once you start applying it into your life, it will shift your perspective from fear and lack to wealth and abundance. So welcome to my channel. My name is Natalie Ledwell, and if it is your first time here, make sure that you hit the subscribe button here so you don't miss out on any of my upcoming videos. So if you want to welcome more money into your life, here are 3 money principles that will expand your abundance. First one is stop being awkward around money. Do you ever get that awkward feeling when the conversation turns to money? You know, when you start to clam up and get a little embarrassed, or you quickly change the subject. Now, if you do, don't worry, you are not alone. Many of us have those moments. But it's essential to dig a little bit deeper and understand why you feel this way. Maybe it's because you've been brought up to believe that talking about money is somehow distasteful, or it's some kind of bad manners. You know, perhaps someone in your past made you feel ashamed or uncomfortable about it. You know, these feelings often get ingrained in us from a very young age and can become more pronounced as we grow older. Specifically, I've noticed that many women tend to shy away from discussing money. It's like there's this unspoken rule that we shouldn't bring it up, as if it's like a taboo subject. Society sometimes even tells us that we shouldn't make career decisions based on compensation, which is a whole other topic, but it is closely tied to the gender wage gap. However, let's just focus on the here and now. Our discomfort with money often starts when we're kids, and it tends to intensify as we get older. So it's worth taking some time to reflect on your own money beliefs. Do they still serve you well? You know, are there beliefs that are holding you back or limiting your financial potential? Understanding and reshaping our relationship with money is an important step towards financial empowerment. So let's break the ice and start having some open, honest conversations about money. It's time to ensure that our money beliefs align with our goals and aspirations that help us to pave the way towards financial success and abundance. The next one is to learn to love money. Now, I recently had a conversation with someone who opened with, "I hate talking about money." Now, it struck me how much we reveal about our relationship with money in just one sentence. You know, like with any subject, using the right language is crucial when we're discussing money. But even before that, you have to be comfortable with having that conversation. So if you approach money with a negative mindset, with embarrassment or avoidance, guess what? Money has no qualms about finding a new buddy elsewhere. Now, money doesn't need you. It can easily go out and hang with somebody else. So if you don't want money to stick around, just keep on complaining about how terrible you are with it, how stressful it makes you, and how utterly confusing it seems. But if you genuinely want money in your life, then it's time to invite it over for a chat, maybe over a cup of coffee. Embrace it, learn from it, and don't be afraid to talk about it. The more barriers that you break down, the more that you improve your relationship with money, the greater your chances of achieving financial success. And the next one is that you want to treat money like your best friend. Now imagine if you treated money like your best friend. Pay attention to it. Take it out on money dates. So in other words, check your bank accounts, keep tabs on your spending, and make some savvy financial choices. You know, make money your top priority, like you would with your best friend. So here's a big one. Stop comparing yourself to others. Trust me, nobody has their financial act together as perfectly as you may think that they do. So stick to your plan, focus on your goals, and don't get caught up in what everybody else is doing. And then last, start sharing your newfound friendship with money with the world. Ask people about their money journeys or how they handle their finances. Let it be known far and wide that you and money are now best pals, and it's time to make your money story a part of your life's narrative. Now, to change your money story, you need to become aware of your subconscious limiting beliefs that are actually keeping you stuck. This is why I encourage you to check out our Money Magnet meditation. Now, it's a very powerful guided meditation audio that is designed to prime your subconscious mind for greater wealth and success. So if you're struggling with your finances or you just simply want an extra boost of positivity and motivation, click on the link below to download the free guided meditation and get ready to see your money vibration skyrocket. Again, my name is Natalie Ledwell. Thank you so much for watching, and bye for now.